Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about the Tecno Spark 30, and this is the latest Tecno phone to be released in the Spark series, from the Spark 20 to the 30. And here generally I have the Tecno Spark 30C, and I'm going to be doing a quick review and the unboxing of this phone. So this is the phone, the Tecno Spark 30, and it has the flat sides and the matte black plastic finish at the back. The fingerprint is on the side. It has a SIM tray on the side also, plus a USB-C on the bottom, a headphone jack, plus speakers on the top. So this is a nice phone and it's well built. So first of all, in the box you get the plastic case, the headsets, a charger, and a USB C. And so if we go back to the phone, in the box there isn't that much. And if you go back to the phone, as you know, Tecno is one of the brands that still gives you all accessories with the phone. You get a case, charger, USB, plus also the headsets. As I told you, it has a USB-C on the bottom. And if you see, this phone has a very big screen with a center punch hole camera, and the screen is 6.67 inches, which is quite a huge screen. The bezels have reduced a little bit compared to the last gen, which is the Spark 20. So the Spark 30 comes with 128 GB plus 4 GB RAM, which can expand up to 8 GB RAM with a function called RAM Plus. And also this phone comes with Android 14, which is the latest Android version in the Android world. As you know, Android 15 is going to be released next year. This phone comes with a huge battery, which is 5000 mAh battery. So this phone can take you throughout the day without even charging a single bit. And this phone, the downside is it doesn't go up to 5G. It goes up to 4G network, and the screen is very fast. It has a high refresh rate, which is 120 hertz. And the camera for this phone, it takes decent photos compared to the Tecno Spark 20, which is one of the last gen. This phone takes decent photos. It doesn't have the AI features. As you know, also Tecno released the Tecno AI. So this phone doesn't have much of the AI features. We'll get the AI camera, which is on the past generations, but hopefully we might get an update on this. And one thing I like on this one, it has a little bit of customization on it. They added some few touches on it, and it's a well-rounded phone. It feels nice. The build quality is nice, and this phone also took on the camera design of the Tecno Camon 30. So this phone took on the rounded camera design of the Tecno Camon 30. It has a very bright flash, and the customization I was talking about. For example, if you go to screen settings or home screen settings, and you go to icons, you can change the icon style. So you have a little bit of customization without even downloading extra apps or downloading extra themes. So this can give you a kickstart on your phone, and the screen is very bright. It's a very bright screen, and this phone is worth buying. With that, you can get yourself a Tecno Spark 30, and here the version I have is the Spark 30C, and it's quite a very nice phone, a very nice budget smartphone. And with that, the Tecno Spark 30 is a well-rounded budget smartphone. And Tecno here changed a little bit on the software, which is quite a nice touch. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.